Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to install AliExpress on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you, and whether you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the standard app on the iPhone or iPad Apple Store. Next, I click on the search bar and click on AliExpress in the search. We find this app. Go to it. And in order to install, we click on the cloud on top. It'll probably say Get. If it says Get, you'll need to give your Apple ID a password. Or Face ID will be able to print it out. Once you do that, the app will download like this. And once it downloads, you can log in. You can either log in to your existing account or re-register and make any purchases you want. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will read and answer. Subscribe to the channel. Like me. Goodbye.